What's up, everybody? I am back. Didn't trade yesterday, went hiking with the girlfriend instead. So I'm sitting here trying to catch up. I know I missed a pretty big day yesterday. I saw it was pretty green. But back today, looks like we are still green a little bit. Things I need to focus on today. Consistency means taking your profits when the market tells you. Pay attention to large wicks on the daily chart. Breakouts should be fast with big volume. If not, look to exit earlier. How did it act on the last earnings? If there hasn't been a major pullback, then those that are long are looking for a place to set a new stop loss. Usually at the pullback, anticipate and visualize. Don't fight the market. Take what it gives you. If there's a huge buyer seller that pops up and the stock bounces off, why risk it? Just take your profits. Pay attention on price action around VWAP. On breakouts, if not big mover / big volume, take the small loss, move on to the next one, or if support comes in again, retake the trade with a tighter stop loss below that big support. Wait for the bars to close. Just because it breaks it also means that it needs to hold that level. Level 2 shows you when to exit. Make sure I'm always taking the A+ setups. Take the path of least resistance, fix your mistakes, and the market does not care about your one-to-one. So stats I need to pay attention to. I know I trade best with stocks trading over 5 million shares a day. No stocks outside of 2% or under 2%, or outside of yesterday's range. Mistakes I'm trying to avoid is the volume must be better. Take your profits when told to. Stop loss placement. Don't fight the market and don't force any trades. So we got a couple of minutes here. I know Snap's a big mover today. I don't like the idea of taking it long, though it did get upgraded. I'll keep an eye on it, but I don't really like the idea of taking that one long. We also have SYF. There is not a rumor on this one. What does that say? Oh, Warren Buffett invested in SYF. It's not really setting up for any kind of trade here, so put it to the side. AAOI has, of course it's selling off. I like this one the most. There was a rumor that there was going to be a takeover, but obviously now it's not setting up too nicely. So then we have GoPro. GoPro got upgraded. Again, not really setting up for anything. We also have Win. Win at one point looked really good here, but didn't even break the 3 mark yet. Also got upgraded. And then EXTR. EXTR had a pretty good earnings here, so really I don't have any stocks that I am looking at towards the open here. What I would like to see is AAOI kind of consolidate somewhere around here and then take it higher. I got a couple of stocks to the downside that I'm looking at, but with the market acting the way it's acting, don't really like the idea of shorting anything at the moment, but I will keep an eye on some stuff. I know Big Sporting Goods had a pretty bad earnings coming out. Big sell-off here. It's not even at 3% anymore. Oh yeah, market's dropping here. Dick's Sporting Goods, we have Coach. Coach breaking out. Dick's Sporting Goods moving all over the place. Snap's popping up. 1 million shares traded. AAOI. Don't like it too much anymore here. Not really liking anything right now. The market's moving down pretty hard here. Let's see. DKS. Kind of hovering around here. Only 40,000 shares at the open. Not a great sign. Looks like we're getting ready to break here. Got a hidden buyer here at 66. Bunch of sellers coming in now. Stop loss could be just 100 shares here. Market's still dropping. Coach is also dropping. Tons of sellers coming in now. And there was a break there. Came down and popped back up. Things moving so fast here. Definitely did a lot of practicing with reading the tape this weekend, so I'm pretty excited to see what's going to happen today with all that, if I ever get the chance to get in a trade here. The market's keeping on dropping here, so I think the shorts are looking a little bit better now. Advanced auto parts is moving. Too late. Missed it. DEX is breaking out. A couple of other stocks are gapping down on offerings, so really no too important news here. AOI still dropping. GoPro squeezing up. Forgot to set this up here. Some buyers underneath the VWAP. We got a low of 61. Volume isn't terrible, but it's not really setting up for any kind of trade that I would take. However, I do just want to watch the tape on it and see what it does. See, the sellers are definitely entering in around the low of the day here. It looks like it's struggling to break that 60. There must be a bunch of hidden buyers over here, because it's printing a bunch of 60s over here, but it's not breaking through that level. Wow. Advanced auto parts would have been a real good trade. And the SPY's popping back up again. No, TIX was the one that hasn't been at this level in 6 or so years. Wow. Advanced auto parts really made that perfect move. Just a little pop at the open, and then now we're just nothing but down. Momo's not doing anything here. It's not even up 1%. It's got to be at least 2. Otherwise, I know I don't trade good on it, especially the volume here. So, no Momo. Chem. Again, don't really see anything here. It's still hovering around that area. It's trying to move lower, but it's just not. See, it bounced off of that 50. Stock seems to be reacting pretty quickly to any sort of buyers that are showing up in there. But it's definitely holding this VWAP pretty nicely here. Nope, now it's breaking out. Cores looks interesting. The volume's pretty low. It broke underneath that 44, now it's kind of struggling. It's kind of had some trouble with this area in the past. Let's see what the tape looks like.
COH.
Could take 150 shares on it. I do. Now it's popping up again. It's move 30. Yeah. Too low volume. Oh, it's not. Didn't pay attention to that. Okay, well, no trades so far. Not really seeing anything else. So I'll flip back on if I find something. Okay, I'm going to be done for the day. I didn't see anything else that I liked. The only trade that I saw was Advanced Auto Parts. I was kind of making a reversal pattern, but didn't really do anything that I liked because of the news, so I decided to just avoid it. I just got out of a mentoring session with one of my good friends over here. He definitely showed me a ton of stuff, opened my eyes up to a lot of different things. So I'm pretty excited to get going on that. I got some new strategies that I really want to practice, start looking into. So I have plenty of stuff to research. Today's going to be a pretty big day. I'm going to probably make another video here once I finish up with this spreadsheet. I have tons of new things that I've added into it. Lots of new stats and data to be looking into. So I got plenty going on today, but I'm going to be done for now, so I will be back again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.